overall section of the training is really good, and we have a lot of fun games and programs. It's really a good program for us, from retail side. Whatever the point, I really get the things for my future working skills.
Training session is very fun, energetic, and every information given by trainer is very detailed and can be understand. And second, the trainer skill, she's using social skill. That means she's using communication skill to communicate with us, for participant. And she using hard skill. That means she using activities like presentation to give us more confidence during presentation. And lastly, about MMT coordinator is very friendly and helpful. And the coordinator also cheerful and very energetic during the session.
Syukur Alhamdulillah selepas menghadiri program ini, saya rasa saya seorang person yang more energetik dalam melakukan tugasan, yang mana target dan goal saya more clear. Saya lebih tahu perkara yang perlu diutamakan dalam melakukan tugasan.